Good afternoon, sir. My name is Gayatri. So, as our project is about online handmade goods, so in this project we have three separate authentication for users and also for admins and also for the vendors. So, it is a multi-vendor e-commerce system. So, now you can see the category system. The user can search according to the category, which means art and craft, jewelry, and home decor. Now the user can register with the username, email, password, address, phone number, and we also have a security question and a security answer for authentication. The username must be alphanumeric, which contains only alphabets and numerical values, and an email. And the password must contains a capital letter and special characters, small letters, and a number also. So this is the authentication we made here for the registration. So after registering, it will navigate to the login page, which means we can log in through the username and the password. So the user can browse the products now and he can see his profile and he can also change his password, which means the current password and the new password also. Now we'll move to the admin section. The admin contains a username and password. There is only one admin. So in the admin dashboard, we can see the current sales and the managed products, managing orders, manage payments, and also the admin can reject or accept the vendors. So this is the authentication we have provided here, which means the vendor cannot be directly logging in this website. So I am logging out from this website. So I have keep a button called Are you a seller? So after clicking that button, we'll navigate to the vendor registration page. So in the vendor registration page, we'll take our name, email, password, and confirm password, and the business name also. So we are also adding the phone number and the business address so that we'll contact to the vendor for the approval. After registering successfully, your account is pending for the approval, which means the admin will have a message about this vendor. So I'm refreshing it. So it again asked for admin login and I have given the username and password. So after moving to the vendor approval page, I can see that Akil has registered for the as vendor so that I can approve or reject him based on the details and based on his business. So after the admin approval only, he can log in his vendor dashboard. So here we created an authentication so that vendor will only log in after the acceptance of the admin. So here you can see the total products are 0, orders are 0 and total sales are 0. And now if we go to the manage product section, we can add new products in it based on the different categories like home decor, jewelry. So I have given a product name and the description. So I also mentioned the price and the stock availability according to the vendor and category, which means art and craft. So I have given a product image also. So you can see a message product added successfully. So that in the manage product section, which means the dashboard of the vendor, you can update that product or delete that product. So here the total products section is increased to 1. Now I'm going to logging in again in the web page as a user. So now I'm trying to see that the vendor uploaded product is uploaded in this user page is not. So here you can see the pods are already added after the vendor uploaded. You can add to cart. So navigate to the add to cart section. You can update that how many times you want, which means I have increased it to 2 and update it. So the total amount increased to 400. So proceed to checkout. So here we integrated just cash on delivery as a payment method. So it will ask for the shipping address, and next you can confirm the order. So are you sure you want to place this order? Yes, okay. Now moving on to the vendor dashboard, I'm refreshing it. So we got an order by the username Ram27. For clarification, I just move on to the view orders section. So in this, I can see the order ID, order date, and the total amount, and we can see the status also, which means pending, completed, or cancelled the product. So the status will be updated in the main dashboard also. In the manage payments, we can see that how much payment we got, is the product is delivered or not, is the product is in the pending section or cancelled also. So these are the features we have included in our project. So after vendor dashboard, the user can easily log out from the web page, and the vendor also can easily log out from the website. So this is our project.